Principles by Dalio. Before we begin, understand this clearly. This is not a book summary designed to make you feel informed. This is an actionable execution brief designed to change how you think and decide. Most people read books like this passively. They nod, they underline, they agree, then they return to work and make the same decisions with the same mental habits. This summary is different. It is designed for builders, for operators, for leaders who want to stop reacting and start engineering outcomes. If you treat this like content, nothing will change. If you treat this like a system upgrade, everything can. Let's begin. Imagine this. 2 employees are given the same problem, same deadline, same resources. One freezes, defends their opinion, and waits for instructions. The other asks better questions, tests assumptions, and adapts quickly when wrong. A year later, one is stuck. The other is trusted with bigger decisions. The difference wasn't intelligence. It wasn't motivation. It wasn't effort. It was how they thought. So here's the real question. Why do smart people repeatedly make bad decisions? And why do a few seem to compound wisdom over time? The book is Principles by Dalio. Its core idea is simple and uncomfortable. Your outcomes are not random. They are the result of principles you are already operating by, whether you've written them down or not. Principles are not values. They are not slogans. They are decision rules. They determine how you respond to reality when pressure hits. Dalio argues that success, in life and in organizations, comes from designing clear principles, testing them against reality, and evolving them relentlessly. In a world of uncertainty, opinions are dangerous. But principles scale. Quick reminder before we go deeper. Do not ask, "Do I agree with this?" Ask, "What decision will this change today?" That question separates readers from operators. The core principles of this book. Principle 1. Embrace reality and deal with it. Reality always wins, but it rewards those who see it clearly. Most people fight reality emotionally. They defend their ego instead of diagnosing the problem. Dalio learned, painfully, that ignoring reality compounds damage, while facing it early creates leverage. Reality doesn't care about your intentions. It only responds to cause and effect. Dalio famously lost everything in the early 1980s after making a confident but wrong economic call. Instead of rationalizing, he asked one question: "What did I miss?" That question rebuilt his entire decision system. For your action, in the next 7 days, write down one recurring problem you keep encountering. Ask, "What am I pretending not to see?" Write the uncomfortable answer. Principle 2. Pain plus reflection equal to progress. Pain is information. Reflection turns it into progress. Mistakes are inevitable. Not learning from them is optional. Dalio treats failure as data. Each mistake reveals a flaw in the system, not a flaw in worth. Avoiding pain avoids growth. At Bridgewater, mistakes weren't hidden. They were logged, analyzed, and turned into principles. This is how individuals evolve, and how organizations compound learning. At the end of each day, write one mistake and one lesson. Do not explain it away. Extract the principle. Principle 3. Radical open-mindedness. You cannot be right consistently if you are closed to being wrong. Confidence without humility is blind. Open-mindedness without assertiveness is weak. Dalio combines both. He seeks disagreement not to win, but to get closer to truth. At Bridgewater, ideas compete, not people. The best idea wins regardless of rank. Truth is not democratic. It is evidence-based. In your next disagreement, ask, "What would make the opposite view right?" Listen without interrupting. Principle 4. Systemize decision-making. If a decision matters, it deserves a system. Humans are emotional. Systems are consistent. Dalio turns principles into algorithms, clear rules that guide decisions under pressure. This removes mood, bias, and ego from outcomes. Bridgewater runs like a machine, inputs to rules to outputs. People don't guess, They execute tested principles. Choose one repeated decision you make weekly. Write a simple rule for it. Test it once. The framework of this book. Dalio's 5-step loop. First is set clear goals. After that, identify problems. Next is to diagnose root causes. Then design solutions. And finally, execute and iterate. This is not linear, it is evolutionary. Problems are signals. Feedback is fuel. When you stop seeing problems as failures, growth accelerates. Common misunderstandings of this book. Misunderstanding 1. Radical truth means being harsh. No, it means being accurate, with empathy. Misunderstanding 2. Principles remove intuition. Wrong. They sharpen intuition through feedback. Misunderstanding 3. This only works in hedge funds. False. It works anywhere decisions compound. Here is the synthesis. Your life and your business already run on principles. The question is whether they are accidental or designed. If you don't define your decision rules, reality will define them for you, painfully. For the next 7 days, don't try to be smarter. Try to be clearer. One principle, one system, one better decision. That's how value creators are built. Join now in the 7-day execution challenge. First, you have to write your top 3 decision principles. Second, log 1 mistake daily with reflection. Thirdly, seek 1 disagreement you normally avoid. Next is to systemize 1 recurring decision. And finally, share 1 principle publicly or with your team. Take time to reflect these 2 questions now. Question 1. Where am I reacting instead of designing? Question 2. What principle would prevent my most common mistake? If this challenged you, good. It was designed to. This actionable summary exists for people who refuse to be passive consumers and choose to operate like the top 1% of thinkers. Do not save this. Do not share it yet. Execute first.